Because of the way homes are built, quite often the foundation wall of the back of the home is exposed. When adding a patio, homeowners are faced with having to decide what to do with this concrete slab. You invest in a beautiful patio, and next to it is this ugly concrete wall. Design Builders has you covered with El Dorado Facade. For this Northern Virginia home, El Dorado Facade spans the entire rear of the home, tying in the flagstone patio with the home's design. The theme is consistent throughout, being used in the pavilion as well as the outdoor kitchen. It also brings together the home's retaining wall. El Dorado Facade offers an elegant, clean look that will increase the beauty of your home exponentially. Worried about that blank concrete foundation wall ruining your beautiful new patio? Design Builders has your answer.